The feeling of fear that rises, the weakness in my knees, seeing that distance. Already feeling the fall, but trying to suppress the temptation to just jump off. To throw myself free of this building. And then I'm not standing anymore. I'm stepping off the edge, and I start free falling.
And if it takes my arm, then it goes.
Oh, they shake my arm. I don't know who's shaking my arm. It gives this really scary shaking my arm. He had a shark in his arm and
Back into the tape.
Suddenly the field opened under me and sucked me in. I was in the field. I couldn't breathe, but I wasn't dying. Couldn't do anything about it. They just kept falling and falling, and I wouldn't say that I was enjoying it.